Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. I'm just doing this for you guys so that you can have enough time actually to check the analysis. So, and don't forget that we have a special, guys. I hope you can see that on the screen. Plus, the robot, if you want the robot, is 265, is $265. Plus, you get lifetime signals and also mentorship when you buy the robot. But remember, the special that we have for signals, actually that is going to end tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Sunday, right? So that $18 special is done. We tried to make sure that people join so that we can eat together. We can actually eat together, right? So let's check on the screen. I see there is gold there. There is gold there. And what I want you to understand there is, firstly, we can do what? We can make sure that we identify the trend. I already drawn the lines there. I hope you can see that. And please, guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So on the screen there, you can easily see that we actually see that we have these points that we tried to connect. And those points, we call them, actually, they connect our resistance line. And now we can easily see that, yes, the market was actually downtrending. And that is actually a very nice downtrend because it helps us to know where the market is going. And it's easier for us to take that direction. And where the direction is going, down. And we're going to look forward for sell position. Remember, this is not just the analysis. This is also showing you how we do this, how to analyze actually. It's not like maybe I'm just showing you where to buy, where to sell. I'm trying to make sure that you understand how we analyze the market. It's not about only the signal. So every day we see something different. And if you repeat doing that, these things are just going to sink very easier and simple. Actually, every time when I do the analysis, you will understand that, oh, from here is going to go to this point, because you will be understanding what's really happening. And what's really happening now is we are on a downtrend. Sorry, the market was on a downtrend. A downtrend is when the market was pushing lower, where we were looking for what? For sell positions only. So now, a few days ago, the market broke out of this resistance line, and now the market is about to do what? To push to the upside, which we call that an uptrend, which means the market is doing what? Changing the trend, and we're going to look forward for buy positions only or long positions only. I hope you understand. I hope you understand this, because I think this is quite simple. So now what we can do is we can try to go closer and try to see or understand what's really happening here. So I think it's quite straightforward. What's really happening is the market is pushing to the upside. I don't think maybe you're going to see some very nice stuff if maybe you're just going to just use a daily time frame. Obviously, you need to change that time frame to a bit smaller time frame. So what I'm going to do, because it's weekly, I'm just going to go on 4 hours time frame and see if maybe I can see something. I think I see something, and I think it's very nice. I have something like this. Here it's where actually the market broke out. From there, the market started to do what? To push to the upside. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside as we broke out of that down trend. I hope we are on the same page. I hope I'm not very fast. I hope we are on the same. And remember, for those who maybe wants to purchase, if you want to purchase the system or the robot from me, just know that there is no refunds, because that is just a copy. If you keep that, don't come up with stories. Make up your mind before you do that, because you're not gonna get the refund. Some people, they try to take chances, you see. So now let's check what it's really happening on US oil. US oil, I think, is quite straightforward. What happened last week was the market was actually pushing lower. The market kept pushing lower and lower. you can see we have a structure there which shows us that yes, the market, the direction of the market was actually pushing lower and lower. And every time when the market reaches this area, it's where the market is pushing down. We call that resistant. We call that line resistant. You see this line, that is called resistant line. This, the bottom one, is called the support line. The support line. I hope you understand that. So now on US oil, you can easily see that yes, the market is actually aggressively on a downtrend. Even though sometimes the market can do what? Can consolidate, but we can easily see that, you know what? This thing is been pushing down for quite some time. And we're going to continue with that. You see, we did sell around this area. We made something. And now we had a sell, but the market was just consolidating. But now at least the market is going down again. So the point here is the market is on a downtrend. And if that is happening, if let's say the market is pushing down, don't expect the market just to go straight up, like straight down like that. The market can reject and even touch your stop loss. That's how the market moves. You should understand that, and you should plan your stop loss wisely, because sometimes we can send the signal maybe with a tight stop loss, and just to make sure that you don't really lose much. And guess what? The market can go back and touch your stop loss before going down again. But the best thing is, we already know where the market is going. You're losing even if you already know. That's not good. Just try to plan your stop losses and make sure that everything's fine, right? I hope you understand that. So yes, with the market is actually what? The market is actually on a downtrend. I'm still expecting the market to sell. Maybe by next week will be around 60,000, 60 something thousand, which means the oil prices, they will be like seriously going down. I hope you understand that. Please smash that subscribe button. I'm just waiting for you. Yes, you smash that subscribe button now, because you've been watching, so it means you enjoy whatever the content here. So now let's go on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, this is US30, by the way. This is US30. Whoa, was 2020. Oh, the market reached that area. Okay, it's fine. So this is US30. By the looks, before I do anything, maybe you can easily see that the market was aggressively selling. The market was pushing down for quite some time. Let's say for the whole year, actually for the whole year, this year, the whole year of 2022, the market was actually struggling. You see, the market was actually struggling. So yes, the market was the dominate. The direction actually, the market was actually going down for most of the time. So if we go closer there, we see that the market was tired with going down. We saw a nice aggressive recovery. We thought maybe the market was going to respect this area and push lower. But guess what? The market was tired also with this downtrend, and the market said, you know what? I'm supposed to change the direction and I need to push up. But did that happen? Let's go there and check if maybe that really happened. I think I see, yes, the market actually did break that. You can see the market broke out here. Instead of the market pushing up, the market actually consolidated. Consolidation is when the market is just ranging. You see, it's not really safe to trade around that around this type of a move. So be extra careful, because it's easier for us to lose, not for you or for. It's easier for everyone to lose if they trade on consolidation market or consolidated market. So we have something like this. That is consolidation. We can push this to here. You can see that the market was actually doing what? Ranging or consolidation. So on Friday, the market tried to push up a little bit. Then it seems like after that, it seems like the market is going back. The market is going back on that support area. So the question is, will the market break this support area and push lower? If that happens, it means we're going to see another sell. And remember, in coming weeks or coming days, they're going to be like FOMC, like interest rates, and they're going to decide on that, and that is going to make the market to go crazy. The market is going to go crazy with that, and we know that. So it means that we have to think twice whatever we do, whenever we place our trades. That's why you're supposed to have the robot. The robot is 265. That doesn't trade. Actually, it trades without emotions. It's not a human, obviously. So you're going to just enjoy. You just going to, it's going to just close your profits without any hassle. Actually, I hope you understand that. So as I don't really want to make this video very long, I hope you see that the market is coming back towards our support. And there is a chance for the market to break that. If it breaks that, what we're going to say is, maybe this is the wall that is stopping us to do what? To actually sell. And if that wall is broken, it means we're going to do what? We're going to look for sell positions. Another wall on top is there. That wall is actually stopping us to actually buy. Yes, we can buy here because the market broke out, but another wall is this one. Once the market breaks above that, we're gonna also continue buying, going to the upside. I hope you see that. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So let's go to the next one. Which is NASDAQ. Which is NASDAQ, US Tech, or US 100, or NASDAQ 100. So what's really happening here is, I think it's quite straightforward. The market is actually respecting that wall. The wall that we have is this one here. You can see that the market is creating some structures that is bouncing back very close. It's not supposed to be exact, but these areas, they make sense that, okay, if you draw the line here, the market still fall under the same. If we do something like this, you can see that actually the market still respects that. Do you see that? So that helps us to see that, okay, this momentum is actually doing what? This is a downward momentum, which means the market is pushing down. The market has been selling, and we have to look for that. You see, yes, along the way we can smash, hit and run, but that doesn't change the fact that actually we are on a sell trend. But let's go on the chart and see what's really happening. It seems like the market is going to respect that. Yes, the market did push up a little bit, gave us something. You can see that. You can see around this area, the market is actually doing what? The market is actually consolidating. The market is actually ranging. I think the market is just waiting for to decide before selling, or maybe before pushing to the upside. Remember, we have the news. Remember, we're still waiting for Federal Reserve interest rates. We're still waiting for core CPI, and those are some serious stuff. Those are the high impact news that we actually waiting for. Those are the high impact news. If you don't know about high impact news, try to check investing.com, try to check Forex Factory, or on your website, on your broker's website. Then you can get economic calendar. Then you can see high impact news, which one are going to push the market, and the other ones, they're just low impact news. So they don't really move the market that much. I hope you get that. So what do we see on NASDAQ? We see that, yes, here on the daily time frame, it shows that the market seems to be still under that bearish momentum. So which means, one way or another, we understand that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually consolidating, but it means even if it's consolidating, at the end of the day, the market might push lower again. There is a chance for the market to still sell. Do you see that? There is a chance that the market can still sell. So let's check what will happen. We're going to take that sell if the market goes below this area. If the market goes, let's say 11,300, maybe it's where we can say we can take a sell, and maybe we can say this area, maybe something like this, something like that. You see that? Let me remove that. So you can see that if the market creates something like that, we will be ready to take that and push lower. Do you see that? So yes, don't forget, guys, don't forget that we have a very nice special. This actually has to end tomorrow. Tomorrow we're ending this special of $18, but EA is actually the cheapest one, 265. You get also lifetime signals. You also get mentorship. You can get you can get that type of special anywhere. Even if you get it, maybe the robot doesn't really perform very well, or maybe you don't even get the mentorship and you pay once. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Just smash that. Just smash that, and also like a notification also. And remember, guys, during the week we're not gonna have like live sessions because we also we always have this interrupted power supply or load shadings. So they are like always around the corner. So you can't just you can't work freely because the power will just go off while you're doing your thing. So I hope you understand. So, but don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.